community needs. So, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow government workers, let me present to you and introduce to you our doctors to the barrio or the rural health physician, Dr. Mil Anthony Puel Moca. Itong bagong rural physician is from Ilocos Norte, Pasoque. So magtagalog tayo. Thank you.
Maayong buntag sa kani si Dr. Rafael Moca. Inyong bago na TTTV diri sa Bana sa Ilonggo. So hindi ko talaga kung marunong mag-Cebuano. So may ka pa minsan nagtatagalog ko ako. So ako po isang tubong Ilocano and it's been an honor to be here in your municipality. So it's been a great honor po na mag-serve po dito sa Ilocos. So I hope you could help me teach some Cebuano words.